Hello, and welcome to this video discussing how to install and set up the Outlook add-in for Business Central. My name is Jonathan Moore. I'm the Director of Sales for D365 Business Central here at Rain Group. Rain Group is a holistic provider of AI-enabled ERP solutions for small to medium-sized and enterprise-level businesses. For over 20 years, we've helped businesses just like yours implement, enhance, and support their ERP systems from both Microsoft, Oracle, and Sage. In this video today, we'll be exploring how to install and set up the Outlook add-in into Business Central and give a high-level overview of what features and functions that add-in can provide. In later videos, we'll dive into those features and functions in more detail, but for today, we'll give you a taste so you know what to expect after you complete the installation and setup. With that, let's jump into our Business Central environment and get started. Let's start with a couple of quick housekeeping items. In order to install the add-in for Business Central, you will need Microsoft 365 Administrator permissions. This will allow you to perform a deployment not only to your environment, but to others in your business as well. When you install the add-in, you'll get the features and functions of two specific functionalities. The first is Contact Insights. Contact Insights will allow you to view high-level information about customers, vendors, and contacts related to emails that are sent into your Outlook inbox. The document view will allow you to view and create documents for those customers and vendors, like sales quotes, invoices, etc., as well as on the purchasing side, being able to create quotes, orders, and invoices as well. You can essentially work out of your inbox by viewing existing documents, editing and updating them, and even creating new documents to send out to your customers and your vendors. The add-in itself will be an XML download file. And after downloading it, you will need to install it into not only your Business Central environment, but also your Outlook environment. If you don't have these permissions, I urge you to contact your 365 administrator who can assist with many of these steps. With that, let's get started. We'll start by using the search function to look up our Outlook add-in centralized deployment. You can click this link here to pull up the requirements for the add-in. This will give an overview of what permissions you need, what access, and as well the system requirements for both your Outlook version and your Business Central version. When we're ready to proceed, we can click Next. We can acknowledge the privacy and cookie statement provided by Microsoft. And then here we can view the different add-ins that are available. So we can choose again to view the Contact Insights add-in and deploy that. We can also choose to deploy the Document View add-in as well, or in this case, both. Okay. I'm going to select both, and then this is actually going to download and prompt you to save a zip file with the Outlook add-ins. Again, these are going to be XML applications that you will need to download and then deploy into your Outlook environment. And it actually gets us some steps here as well. Again, in order to perform these next steps, you will need the apps admin role or the global admin role within your organization. Right. I'm going to go ahead and now click Done. Once downloading the XML files and deploying them to your Outlook environment, you will be able to see the Business Central icon here in your Outlook. Again, the specific steps to download and install into your Outlook environment are going to be dictated by whether you're using Outlook on-premise, 365 online, as well as the specifics of your business. And I encourage you to contact your system administrator to allow them to deploy and download that app for you. But once deployed and installed in your environment, you will see this Business Central app icon, and you will have access to both Contact Insights and the document view, being able to create a new document in the system. If we were to click on the icon and click on Contact Insights, for example, we will see a Business Central pane open up on the right-hand side, and it will pull up, tied to the email address of the email that we're currently selected, any vendor level statistics that we can see here. Any open documents, we'd be able to view them. We'd be able to view any outstanding and open orders, overdue invoices. If we had any accounts payables history, we'd be able to view that here as well as any other types of documents that have been posted against this vendor. Again, we'd also have the ability to create new documents as well. And again, in later videos, we'll do a deeper dive into these functionalities. But hopefully this gives your team an idea of what is required and what is needed in order to download and deploy the Outlook add-in for Business Central. If you have any other questions on the functionality, I encourage you to look at our website where we have hundreds of different white papers, blogs, etc. on a variety of functions within Business Central. And of course, if you have specific questions on any of your business needs, including the contents of this video, I encourage you to use the Contact Us feature, where you can talk to an experienced consultant about your specific needs and how Rand Group can help. You'll have a great day.